morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on Bitcoin USD, recent developments, and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
Bitcoin has gained 3.4% in the last session. The MACD has skyrocketed into the positive zone. The euro-dollar pair has added 0.4% in the last session. The ADX has skyrocketed into positive territory. The sterling-dollar pair has gained 0.4% in the last 3 sessions. The Williams indicator moved sharply into the positive area. The Aussie-dollar pair has added 1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI has skyrocketed into the positive area.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
German carmaker BMW said that the deal to increase its stake in its joint venture with Brilliance China Automotive wouldn't be impacted by the debt issues of the latter's parent. Demand for riskier assets kept sterling close to the 2-month high it reached the day before, with investors also hoping that this week's Brexit talks will result in a deal. Bitcoin homed in on its all-time high after hitting $19,000 for the first time in nearly 3 years.
Thank you for this. Now coming up, today's major economic events.
The Japanese Coincident Index will be released at 500 GMT, the German GfK Consumer Climate at 700 GMT, the Swiss employment level at 7:30 GMT, the Eurozone's private sector credit at 900 GMT, the Eurozone's M3 money supply at 900 GMT, and the Japanese foreign investments in Japanese stocks at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.